हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, हाऊ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले फ्रॉम गोखले एज्युकेशन सोसायटीज, R.M. Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome student. Today we are going to study bridge course of 10th standard mathematics, day 40. In this 48th day we are going to study that coordinate geometry. The subtopics are point, coordinates of any point, and how to plot the point in the Cartesian coordinate system. So let us see one by one. So here the first important point is x-axis, y-axis, origin and the quadrant. So if we consider one plane, means one paper, if we draw one horizontal number line, this is a horizontal number line, this is 0 on a number line, this is positive direction of the number line, this is negative direction of the number line, 1 2 3 4 5, here minus 1 2 3 4 5. So this horizontal number line is drawn on this plane, that is a x-axis. So that is the x-axis, and one perpendicular vertical line, that vertical line is perpendicular to the horizontal line, then that line, number line, is called a y-axis. Here it is the positive direction of y-axis, it is negative direction of y-axis. So axis means a horizontal line drawn at a convenient place in the plane to indicate the position of a point on the plane is called x-axis. Means the horizontal number line drawn is called the x-axis, and another number line intersecting that line at point O is the origin, and it is perpendicular to the x-axis is called the y-axis. Means that horizontal line and vertical line are perpendicular to each other. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is the positive direction of x-axis, negative direction of x-axis, positive direction of y-axis, negative direction of y-axis. Now what is meant by origin? The point O, or the point of intersection of two axes, both the axes intersect at point O, that is called origin. The coordinates of origin are 0 0, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. Now next point is a quadrant. Here quadrant, because of this x-axis and y-axis, this plane is divided into four parts. This is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part. So each part is called a quadrant. So this is the first quadrant, right hand side corner, that is called first quadrant, then anti-clockwise second quadrant, then third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Now the coordinates of the point in the first quadrant are plus plus, means xy having the sign plus plus, in second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, and fourth quadrant plus minus. So these are the sign of the coordinates of the point in the quadrant. So here remember one thing, the point is either in the quadrant. If the point is on axis, then point on the axis is not included in this quadrant. This origin, point on x-axis, point on y-axis, that is not included in this quadrant. Only these points, means except y-axis, x-axis, x-axis, y-axis छोड़ के जो point है, that is on the quadrant. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant, remember the sign of the coordinates, plus plus, minus plus, minus minus and plus minus. Now our next point is the coordinates of a point in the given plane or in Cartesian coordinate system. If we consider any point in this Cartesian coordinate system means if we draw this x-axis and y-axis, then this system is called Cartesian coordinate system. Then in this system, what are the coordinates of the point? Suppose here this point A is given. So from point A, if we draw the perpendicular on x-axis, then that perpendicular intersect at minus 3. So that minus 3 is the x coordinate of that point. And when we draw the perpendicular on y-axis, that intersect at the point on y-axis, that is 2. Therefore 2 is the y coordinate of that point. So x coordinate of a point means the distance, perpendicular distance of the point from y-axis. x coordinate मतलब ये जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम y एक्सिस से परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस मीन्स 1 2 3 -1, -2, -3. This is the perpendicular distance from y-axis, and y coordinate perpendicular distance from x-axis. X-axis से कितना 1 and 2. Therefore, that is the x coordinate. The convention for describing the position of the point is mention x coordinate first and then y coordinate. So whenever we describe the point, first we have to show x coordinate and then y coordinate. If we consider any point here, this point, then x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 3, therefore this point is 3, 3. Now next one, position of point and their coordinates. If the point lies in the first quadrant, then the both coordinates are positive plus plus. So using this one, we can decide the point is in the first quadrant. If both the coordinates x and y are positive, we can decide this is in the first quadrant. Point is in the second quadrant, then x coordinate is negative, y is positive and a minus plus. So using this sign, we can decide it is in the second quadrant. In third quadrant, both are negative. अगर दोनों negative है, then it is third quadrant. अगर positive and negative, x positive, y negative, then it is in the fourth quadrant. If the point is on x-axis, अगर x-axis पे है तो y coordinate 0 आना चाहिए, यानी x 0 और a 0. And if it is on y-axis पे रहेगा, then x coordinate 0, so 0 b or 0 y. And the coordinates of origin, both the coordinates of origin are 0 0, origin is 0 0. So this is our day 40th study, in which we studied the Cartesian coordinate system. This one, Cartesian coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis. Then because of that x-axis, y-axis, this plane is divided into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. So the point in the first quadrant having the sign plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. If the point is on x-axis, y coordinate 0, y-axis पे रहेगा तो x coordinate 0 आएगा. And if it is origin, then 0 0. Now using this basic knowledge, we have to solve this exercise. Let us see that exercise. What is the form of coordinates of a point of the x-axis? If the point is on the y-axis, what is the form of the coordinates of a point on y-axis? If it is on y-axis, its x coordinate must be 0, that is 0 b. So B is the correct option. In which quadrant does the following point lie? ये जो point there, it is in which quadrant? Minus plus, that is in the second quadrant. So this C is the correct option. Now state in which quadrant or on which axis the points lie. So by observation only, we can decide the point is in which axis or quadrant. So here observe the sign. Here minus minus, third quadrant. If x coordinate is 0, then it is on y axis. Then no need to see the sign. X coordinate 0 आया directly. Both are positive. Don't see it, either it is a fraction or a decimal fraction. Only see the sign plus plus. It is the first quadrant. Then y coordinate 0 on x-axis. Here x coordinate 0, y-axis. Here minus plus, this is second quadrant. 0 a, that is the y-axis. Then 2.1 and 0, this is x-axis. And 2 minus 3 and a plus minus, that is the fourth quadrant. So in this way you can easily solve that exercise. Now observe the graph and write the coordinates of the point. If you observe the graph, then some points are given here. You can write the points. A, the coordinates of A are 3 3. Coordinates of B are 2 4. Draw the perpendicular on x-axis, that is x coordinate. Draw the perpendicular on y-axis. Here already the perpendicular lines are given. C point, where is the C? C. This is on y-axis, so 0 7. D 0 3. E minus 4 4. F minus 6 2. G, that is on x-axis, therefore minus 3 0. H minus 8 0. Q 4 0. R 9 0. J minus 4 x coordinate and y coordinate minus 3. I minus 2 minus 2. K, this is on y-axis, therefore 0 minus 2. This M L is on y-axis, therefore it is L is on y-axis, therefore 0 minus 6. M is 1 is the x coordinate, minus 3, 1 minus 3. N 2 minus 1. And here P is 6 minus 3. So in this way we can write the coordinates of that point. Here the table is given, you can write the points. Now next one is plot the points on the same Cartesian coordinate system. So a graph leke on graph paper you can plot that point. Now let us see day 41. In this 41st day we are going to study the linear equation. How to plot, how to draw the graph of that equation, or what is linear equation. Here important points are given. The equation of a line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to a, where a is constant. Yani y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, y is equal to any number. Then that y is equal to something, that type of linear equation is the graph of this equation, or this is the line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to y-axis, the equation is of the form x is equal to constant, x is equal to b, where b is constant. The equation of x-axis, अगर equation of x-axis लिखना है, then it is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So remember these points. जो भी equation or line, a line which is parallel to x-axis, its equation is of the form y is equal to constant, and that a means the point in which that line intersect y-axis. And here if the graph is parallel, or a line is parallel to y-axis, then the equation is of the form x is equal to b. Here b is a point in which that line intersect the x-axis. So here these are the only 4 points, means equation of the line and the equation of x-axis, y-axis. In the 41st day directly exercise is given. Let us see that exercise. Choose the correct alternative. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 units from it to its left. If it is on the left hand side of the y-axis, then minus 3. Right hand side of the y-axis, that is the positive direction. Above x-axis, that is positive. Below x-axis, that is negative. So the equation, write the equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means x is equal to something. So, and it is on the left hand side of y-axis, so x is equal to minus 3. This is the graph of that equation. Sorry, this is the equation of that line. Now write the equation of the line passing through the points 4, 3, minus 5, 3, 7, 3. Here if we observe the points, the coordinates of the points, which coordinate is constant? Y coordinate, 3, 3, 3. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 3. See, y is equal to 3. So this graph is parallel to x-axis. Now complete the following activity. One activity is given. We have to complete. State the graphs of the following equation will be parallel to which axis. So first one is y minus 2 is equal to 0. If we simplify this one, we get y is equal to 2. That means y is equal to constant. ये number मतलब constant. Y is equal to 2 parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to minus 1.5 parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to constant. Sorry, x is equal to minus 5. यानी x is equal to constant parallel to y-axis. 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. इसको अगर simplify करते हैं तो 2x is equal to 6, यानी x is equal to 6 by 2, 3. X is equal to 3 parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to 5 parallel to x-axis. X plus 3 is equal to 0. इसको simplify करो. X is equal to minus 3. तो this is parallel to y-axis. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by 2 means 2.5. So x is equal to minus 2.5. So this is parallel to y-axis and here it is parallel to x-axis. So by observing that equation only, simplifying that equation, we can decide or the equation is parallel to which axis. Now here draw the graph of the following equation. Easily we can draw the graph of that equation. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 5. So first on a graph paper, draw the x-axis and y-axis. Now here we have to plot the graph of x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 means that line is parallel to y-axis and passing through x is equal to 3. So this is the line. So directly we can draw the line passing through x is equal to 3. So this is the equation, x is equal to 3, graph of equation, and y is equal to -5. So on y-axis -5 is here, therefore draw a line passing through y is equal to -5 parallel to x-axis. So these are the graphs of the equations. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to -5, and this is the point of intersection जो x coordinate दिया है 3 and y coordinate -5. So 3 -5 is the point of intersection of these two graphs. So in this way we can plot the graph. Now let us see day 42nd. In this day 42nd we have to plot the graph of linear equation in general form. So linear equation in general form means the equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That type of equation is called the linear equation in general form. Now the coordinate of any point on the line satisfy the equation of the line. If the coordinates of a point satisfy the equation, then the point lies on the line. Now to draw the graph of any equation, if linear equation is given, then to plot the graph of that line, we have to take any 3 points from the graph. Here 4 are given, but at least 3 points. If we obtain 3 points from the graph from that equation which are lying on the line of that equation, and then plot that 3 points in the Cartesian coordinate system, then we can draw the graph of that line. So here directly exercise is given. Choose the correct alternative. To draw the graph of x minus 7 is equal to 0, find y if x is equal to 3. So in this equation substitute x is equal to 3. So 3 minus 7, 3 minus y is equal to 7. Therefore minus y is equal to 7 minus this 3. So minus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to minus 4. So D is the correct option. To draw the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 12, y is equal to 4, then find x. So here substitute y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. So 2x is equal to 12 minus this 4. So 2x is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. So x is equal to 4. B is the correct option. Now complete the following activity to draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 1. So here the activity is given how to plot the graph of any linear equation. Here one example is given. First we have to prepare the table for that linear equation. So the equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So take any 3 points, x coordinate, y coordinate, and here we have to complete this activity. So here x is 2, y is 1, then we get the point 2, 1. Now in this second one we have given y is equal to 2, then what is x? So in this equation x minus y is equal to 1, put y is equal to 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 and this become plus 2, minus 2 become plus 2. So is x is equal to 3. So here we can write 3, 2 and here 3, 2. So here x minus y is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 3. So here x is given already here, not y. Here x is equal to minus 2. Then find the y. Now this is the different values are given here. So if y is equal to minus 3 is given, then we get this one. So x minus plus 3 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2. So here this value is not given, this is given. Y is equal to minus 3. Printing mistake is there. Now plotting the above order pairs on the graph paper, draw a line passing through these 3 points. Here 2, 1 and here we get 3, 2 and here minus 2, minus 3. Now if we plot these 3 points on the graph paper and if we draw the line passing through this, then these 3 points are collinear, only one line passing through these 3 points. Where we have to plot some graphs. You can practice that graph. So let us see one example. Draw the graph of the following equation. So 2x plus y is equal to 5. I am showing how to plot the graph of this equation. To draw the graph of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. So first write the equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. Now simplify this equation in such a way that only y term remains on left hand side. So y is equal to 5 minus 2x. So this is our equation number 1. That means we get the formula for y. Now select any, prepare the table. In this table, we have to select any 3 values of x. Then find the value of y and write the coordinates of that point. So here, if we consider x is equal to 0, then first value y is equal to 5 minus 2x, that is the formula for y. Now x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 0, so y is equal to 5. So we get y coordinate, this is xy, so first point is 0, 5. So we get point A, coordinate of point A is 0, 5. Second point B and third point is C. So obtain at least 3 points. Second, अगर हम लोग लेते हैं x is equal to 1, so we get y is equal to 5 minus 2x. So 5 minus 2 into 1, so 5 minus 2 is 3. So second coordinate is 3, so 1, 3. This is the second point. And third point, if we consider 2, y is equal to 2, sorry, x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2, simplify, y is equal to 2, 5 minus 2x, 5 minus 2x, and a 5 minus 2 into 2, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So here we get 2, 1, then we get 3 points. So B point is 1, 3, C point is 2, 1. Now plot these 3 points on the graph paper. If we plot these 3 points on the graph paper, now we have to plot these 3 points on the graph paper A05. So first plot A05, its x coordinate is 0, therefore it is on y axis, so here it is A05. So here A05. So plot that point on the graph paper. Now second point is B13, so plot that point 1 and 3, so this is the point, x coordinate 1, y coordinate 3, so this is the point of intersection of both one. So this is B13, and last one is C21, so this is 2 and this is 1. Now we get 3 points for this equation and draw a line passing through these 3 points. अगर ये 3 point collinear है, then our calculation is correct. अगर ये 3 points collinear नहीं है, that means your calculation is wrong. There is some mistake in your calculation, and we get the graph of that equation. This is the graph of the equation, which one? 2x plus y is equal to 5. So in this way we can plot, we can draw the graph of the linear equation. So friends, here we studied that basic concept of coordinate geometry from day 40, 41 and 42. So please see the complete video and study that basic concept, and then try to solve the exercise based on this basic concept. And if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you.